Beautiful day, not hot, not humid, little bit of sun, little bit of clouds, and look at all the green here, all pushing out very fast now. As soon as the rainy season began, it began pushing up the greenery as well very fast. But the rainy season brings its own hassles now, as I don't have much time for work here, no opportunity. I mean, it's raining when sun or raining sun all the time changes, so it also takes more time to get my daily routine because of rain, to get it done, to get from place to place. And here in cave, the flying crocodiles are also taking toll on you. I mean the mosquitoes. It's so many of them that at night, when even mosquitoes are sleeping, I can hear the snoring of them. But they keep me busy with science and moments when I have pauses, like from moving place to place, doing stuff. These are the Christmas lights here. It's the sun charging. I left this mess here because it's nice anyway. I have no time to hang it all up nicely. Better, I mean. It's nice enough. Anyway, that's it. Just being busy, nothing new to tell so far.